You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On today's menu, we're going to make a meatball spread, apply it to our rolls, and cook it on the grill. All the ingredients will be listed in the description down below. In the bowl, I already have a pound of 80/20 ground beef and a pound of sweet Italian sausage and 2 eggs. To that, we're going to add our seasoning. Breadcrumbs that have been soaking in milk. And chopped onions. And let the fun begin. Time to get your hands dirty. Need to combine everything well. Some people say, oh, you gotta fold it in. Get in there, crush it around, mix it up. Now, mind you, this is an experiment. Never done it before. You're gonna see it if it works or not. It'll be fine. How bad could it be? And for those of you that don't have a griddle or a cast iron skillet or a carbon steel skillet, we're going to be doing this on aluminum foil wrapped around the grill grates. Yes, we'll lose the smokiness and the flare-ups, the char that add flavor. But being on the bread, we have to have something to separate from the flame. So I'm going to finish combining this, and we'll see you at the grill. Let me add in at this point, I normally make my meatballs about 55 grams, about the size of a golf ball. And seeing as how we're going to be spreading this on both sides of the hoagie bun, I'm going to be making 110 gram balls. That way everything's going to be even-ish and should cook at the same rate. You can do it any way you want. You can just slather it on there, eyeball it. I'm going to be a bit more precise today. Alright, see you at the grill. Okay, the coals are about ready. I made up 110 gram meatballs. We're gonna smush onto the bread here. Now let's see if we can't spread this out a bit. I've never done this before, folks. Like I said before, if it works, you're going to see it. If it doesn't work, you're still going to see it. What could go wrong? Aside from the meat sticking to the foil and the bread coming off of it. Burning to a crisp. Done that before. But everything is a learning experience. I'm gonna spray up oil. I have olive oil spray. You can use pan. Use whatever you have. You can just brush on some vegetable oil. Just keep it from sticking. I'm brave, I'm doing 2 at a time. Might mess up both at the same time. So how are we going to know when it's done? I don't know. We just let it cook for a while. So we got some sauce warming up. See if I can get this off. Oh, that certainly looks cooked. Uh-oh. A little tricky there. We need some sauce. Let's get this over here. Grated mozzarella. And back on the grill this goes. Put a lid on it. That should be done in a minute. This off. Oh, that was a bad idea. Uh-oh. That one's mine. Who'd have thunk the bread would burn that fast? I told you we were going to see it, whether it worked out or not. How are we going to melt the cheese? I'm going to go back here is what we're going to do. Let's see if this one works out any better. On the cooler side. A lot of traffic here today. Looks pretty good. except for the burnt bun there. See how this one's doing? It's not really melted. Oh boy. Quite the predicament. Hot stuff. Who'd have thought something on the fire would be hot? That's better. All right. There you have it. Just got to modify your routine. That'll be fine. It's cooked through. It's all good. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.